The Early Childhood Education Program at Berks Career and Technology Center is designed to prepare students for rewarding careers in the early learning field, while building a strong foundation for future study in higher education. Every day, students gain practical experience in our on-site child interaction, learning to support children's growth in all areas: physical, social, emotional, and intellectual. The curriculum covers essential skills, creating safe, healthy learning environments, advancing development, guiding positive behavior, partnering with families, and maintaining professionalism. Students work independently and through a variety of learning strategies, building confidence and competence as future educators. Graduates are well prepared for careers in childcare centers, nursery schools, Head Start programs, recreation centers, and more. With advanced credit opportunities at partner colleges, students can continue their education with a head start. The Early Childhood Education Program, where passion for teaching begins and futures in education take shape.